Just press it, it's not very hard. If you failed that one, just leave. Another easy one. Once again, just press the button. Good job, unless you failed. Now just take footage of whatever you want to record. Good job, if you got this far, you've completed phase 1. First, upload all the footage you got. Then, download it all. Start by bringing all your footage into iMovie or whatever other editing app you're using. Then, rearrange your footage in whatever order you want. Lastly, do voiceovers and titles. First, click the upload button. Then, click on YouTube. Change the settings to whatever you want them to be. I just put in random numbers and letters. For no reason. The format, that's what category, and that's privacy. Then click Next. Sign in, and you're done. Wait, why are you still here? I just finished the video.